Pakita dito. Pakita ka doon. Marami na fun on you.
Eh, no!
Doon ka doon.
It is playing with us. Okay, I'm not playing with us.
Here. Here. Try here. Go to the other camera. Here. Leon.
It's his hand.
Dili siya diha. Dito siya sa ako.
Si Mario.
Dito siya sa ako. Ayaw niya eh. Pagpalitin niyo na lang ng pwesto kayo. Hindi na. Pingit na. Hindi na niya. Oh, mag-blow mo na tayo kanina. Ganda yung view sa labas.
You go here, I go here.
Sinusundan talaga niya. Ikaw, pingit na kayo.
Ang champion show.
One, two, three. Camera, action. Ay! Ay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Michael, happy birthday! And wish na ko nga na kay good health all day of your life. Bye!
Happy birthday to you, Michael. Happy birthday to you, Bibi. So, Mommy Pilar loves you always, and also Daddy. Ayan, where Tita here is always love you also. So, take good care, Michael. Love you, baby, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you. Hello YouTube, this is Mike and Judith Las Vegas YouTube channel. Today's video, guys. No, not today's video, guys. I just wanna make a short video for Mahal Pilar vlog USA na anak. He's going to turn to 3 years old. So happy birthday, happy 3rd birthday, and stay pogi palagi. As I saw you in the video and pictures, you're so pogi talaga. And then more birthdays to come, more birthdays to come, and God bless you and the whole family. Thank you, and thank you, Mahal, for having or for giving me a chance to make a short video and greet happy birthday to Michael. So that's it. Stay safe, everyone.
Hello, Michael. How are you? Happy birthday. I wish you have more birthdays to come and enjoy your special day with your mom. Keep safe there, and God bless you always. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, Michael. Remember we played together? But now today I'm gonna sing a happy birthday song to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bye, Michael.
Hi, Michael! Happy birthday! Sing ta, sing ta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Michael. Say Michael. Happy birthday. Party.
Party.
Say mwah.
Mwah.
Ah, you're so cute.
Hi, Sis Pilar! Thank you sa pag-invite me to greet your son birthday. Hi, Michael! Happy birthday! Happy 3rd birthday! I wish you more birthday and more blessings that come along. And of course, a good health. And I'm sure your mommy is proud of you, and your mom loves you so much. And greetings from Lock Family TV. I want to greet you again. Happy 3rd birthday. We wish you good health and be a good boy to your mom and a good kid and more blessings. We loves you from Lock Family TV. Bye.
Wow, someone is celebrating his birthday today. Michael, happy birthday to you, and may God bless you with good health. I know that you are so blessed to have a parent, to have a mother like Pilar, and I know that she is very loving mother to you and to your siblings. Okay, so once again, Michael, happy birthday. And I hope that you will grow as obedient and as a God-fearing child. Okay? Enjoy your day and happy birthday again. Bye!
Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Michael. Happy birthday, baby Michael. Say it.
Happy birthday, baby Michael.
Hello, Michael. Happy birthday. And my wish is you have a good health, be a good boy, and your mom and your dad is there for you, and we're here. Also, to guide you.
Tanjaguri Michael, Tanjaguri Michael, Tanjaguri Michael, Tanjaguri Michael.
Happy birthday, Michael! God bless! Ingat kayo dyan!
Ingat kayo dyan.
Hi, Michael. Happy birthday. You're no longer a little one, but I know for sure that you will always be your mom's baby. You might not know me today, but one day when you are able to watch this video, I want you to know that this is Tita Cora wishing you a happy, fun birthday. May all your dreams come true, and as you grow older, I wish that you take care of your mom as well. Happy birthday from Tita Cora and baby Ren Ren. Bye. Say bye.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Michael.
Happy birthday, Michael.
Happy birthday to you. Hindi ko alam kung aabot ng birthday greetings, pero gusto kong bumati sa anak ni Miss Pilar. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you,